Welcome. Today, we're diving into an incredible underground construction project built by just two people in the middle of the jungle. No modern machines, no electric tools, just pure skill, hard work, and brilliant planning. Step by step, you'll watch how an amazing underground house takes shape beneath the surface. At the beginning of the video, they carefully draw the layout of the structure on the ground. This blueprint becomes the foundation of the entire project. Once the plan is ready, they begin the tough excavation process. Using only shovels and simple hand tools, they dig a massive pit deep into the earth. It may look simple on camera, but this level of primitive construction takes incredible effort and patience. They even carve out a staircase along one side for easy access. Once the pit is completed, they move on to building the main structure. They cut into the soil to create a rounded entrance, giving it the look of an ancient underground shelter. Bamboo is then used to frame the roof, which is covered with layers of mud for strength and insulation, making the structure both durable and weather-resistant. Next comes the interior construction. Entering through the tunnel, they dig deeper to create a comfortable underground room. They carve shelves directly into the mud walls for storage, adding both function and style. To make the living space more practical, they build a sturdy bamboo bed platform. It's amazing to see how such simple natural materials can create a fully functional DIY underground house. Then comes one of the most impressive parts of the project, the decorative details. They bring in a palm tree trunk from the jungle and use it as a strong support pillar. This not only strengthens the structure but also gives it a unique architectural design. Fine carved lines are added to the walls, making the underground home look like a modern eco-resort. The builders then create an open primitive kitchen on one side of the house. A mud stove is carefully crafted for cooking, along with storage spaces for tools and supplies. One section of the wall is coated with red clay, adding warmth and beauty to the kitchen area. Surrounded by nature, it becomes the perfect jungle cooking space. The most exciting phase is the flooring and water system. Using crushed stone, sand, and cement, they create a solid and durable floor. Then they build a stunning small underground swimming pool, painting it blue to give it a polished, luxurious look. To make it functional, they install a clever bamboo pipeline system that channels water directly from the jungle. This is a brilliant example of survival engineering and creative problem solving. As the project nears completion, they build a beautiful table and enjoy a meal together as the sun sets. This peaceful moment highlights the reward of their hard work and dedication. Afterward, they focus on landscaping. Grass is planted around the structure, small plants are added, and the entire area transforms into a lush garden oasis. Once the pool is filled, they jump in and enjoy the refreshing water, making the underground home feel like a private jungle resort. Finally, night falls, torches are lit all around the structure, casting a warm glow across the underground home. Under the flickering light, the handmade shelter looks absolutely breathtaking. Watching them relax inside their finished creation is the perfect ending to this incredible primitive technology build. It's hard to believe that something this beautiful was built entirely by hand. This project proves that with creativity, patience, and determination, even the impossible can become reality. If you enjoy watching amazing underground house builds, primitive survival projects, and creative jungle construction, keep an eye on this channel. There's a lot more incredible content coming your way, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. See you in the next amazing story.